Puretec TankSafe is an innovative liquid used to ensure untreated water supplies are safe and healthy. TankSafe's most common application is rainwater, however it can be used for other water sources as well. TankSafe kills bacteria including E. coli and Giardia and Cryptosporidium cysts that often contaminate rainwater from things like bird droppings or dead animals.
TankSafe works to kill organisms or pathogens, rendering the water safe to drink. The major advantage of this, it's cheap, easy to apply and monitor, and does not leave harmful residues. Chlorine, by way of contrast, leaves residue and bad taste, with distinct possibility of also forming carcinogenic, cancer-causing compounds. TankSafe, on the other hand, is composed of hydrogen peroxide and silver nitrate. Hydrogen peroxide is a compound of hydrogen and oxygen, H2O2. The oxygen is what kills the harmful organisms. This means that the compound breaks down into water and oxygen, leaving only pure, safe water.
So as you can see, the TankSafe comes in easy pour containers. Simply unscrew the lid and pour in the TankSafe like this. You need 1 litre of TankSafe for every 16,000 litres of water. It needs 24 hours to mix thoroughly and do its work, and it lasts up to 2 months. TankSafe comes in 1, 2, 5 and 15 litre containers and is readily available from our dealers in Australia and New Zealand. Perfecting water, made easy.